Hello guys, and welcome back to LearnFlow channel. So now to unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account, follow these quick and simple steps. Open your phone's web browser and search for Snapchat support. Click on the link for Snapchat support. I'll include the link in the video description for easy access. Once on the site, select Contact Us. Then choose the option, I think my account has been compromised. Scroll down to the contact form. There are various reasons your account may have been locked, such as violating Snapchat's terms or using third-party apps. In the form, enter your username, email, and phone number. Then explain your situation clearly. For example, state that you didn't violate Snapchat's terms or use third-party apps, and request that they unlock your account. Snapchat support typically responds within 1 to 2 days and should help resolve your issue. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.